Hello everybody, today level 5 want to talking about important festivals in all countries. And for example, in Colombia they like to celebrate Christmas Day. And this day the children has new clothes and many gifts. In the afternoon from 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. the people like to be in family together and take dinner, but especially in the dinner like to these desserts. Buñuelos and natilla empanadas. This is Colombian culture. Thank you for listening to me.
Hello everyone, my name is Ruth, and I want to share with us and one day this is special in my country is 28 December. My country celebrates playing with water. In this day, the surface water, all water are closed, but the people looking for water in another place, natural pools or rivers for playing. Then they make dinner and chai with neighbors. In the midnight, they like to dancing and listen music. Thank you. Yes.
Hi, my name is Benton. One of the festivals that I like is the New Year. It's New Year, in which, of course, we have a day off and a fun celebration the night before to welcome New Year. I do feel this festival because countries in the world with different time zones take turns to fireworks. Definitely, clips will be going online viral. It's always exciting to wait for my countdown coming. In all, it's fun. And if it weren't this festival, I couldn't have a chance to play late at night with my friends and family. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Xioma. Now I'm talking about Double Names Day, a festival for aged people in China. On this day, many old people go climbing the mountains to show they are still vigorous and active. Young people at this day give gifts to the elders and to show to present their respects. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Maggie. I'm going to share something about Dragon Boat Festival. It is occurs on the 5th of May of Chinese calendar, and it is memorial to a great poet in ancient times. But the important thing for me is the rice dumpling. If you like the sweet ones, you can choose the red bean, cabbage days. But if you have the sweeties, I think the yolk and the pork ones will be your best choice.
Hi, I'm Marina. I would like to talk about the Middle Autumn Festival. It's also known as the Mooncakes Festival. It is a traditional and second most important holiday in China after Chinese New Year's. During this time, people almost eat the most popular food, mooncakes, and celebrate it as a time for family reunions. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily from China. I introduced Lunar New Year. It's a Chinese traditional festival. It's the most festival in China. Family members get together, have a big meal on the New Year's Eve. We usually eat dumpling after 0 o'clock and celebrate each other. Especially children are the happiest there because they can get many red packets from their parents and grandparents. So welcome to China. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Jaden. I'm talking about a traditional festival, kind of Chinese Halloween, but we don't do trick or treat. We just celebrate Buddha's birthday. Actually, he is the boss in the hell, but different from Occident. He is sacred, not evil. Usually we incense on the ground around our house. Most of us pray for success in our career.
Hello, my name is Erin. Easter is known in Korea as Buhan절, it means Resurrection Day. And it's not a national holiday, but it's a big event for Korean Christians. And everything is the same in Korean Easter and New Zealand Easter Day, but one thing is different. In New Zealand, we have the chocolate eggs, but in Korean, so we have real boiled eggs, like with pretty decorations, like. Thank you.
Thank you for listening to us. Thank you.